Radiant Marine set at 103. Write scripture on your heart for when you need it. 'Cause anxiety hates Psalm 23. So just say it to yourself till you believe it. And I'm feeling like I'm needing it right now.
Minsan kailangan mong lumayo para hanapin kung ano yung kulang, kung ano yung nawawala.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me by still waters till my fears are gone. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, though I know you are with me, my Father, my friend.
Pero ang totoo, hindi naman pala siya nawawala. Nandyan lang siya. Nakapikit lang tayo.
Your goodness and mercy will follow me all of my days. I know by your still waters I'm safe.
May mga bagay na nawawala. May mga taong umaalis. Nakaraan na. Tapos na. Hindi na maibabalik yun.
Lord, I believe you can set me at ease. Turn this broken piece in me to peace and quiet. I know that there's power in your word, so I'll sing it over and over till my soul's reminded.
Totoo, nawasak tayo. Pero walang bubuo sa atin. Kundi yung tayo lang. Yung pananalig natin sa sarili natin. Yung faith natin kay God. Yung faith ng mga taong nagmamahal sa atin. Laban sa hamon ng buhay. Binigay sa'yo kasi kaya mo. Matatag ka. Hanggat may pananampalataya ka. Tumawag ka lang. Inaantay ka lang niya. Hindi ka niya iiwan.
Still waters I'm safe. Still waters run through.
Ito ang laban ng aking buhay. Mapagtatagumpayan ko to na may tiwala at pananalig sa Diyos.
Heaven's riverside, your word has been true in every season.